There are some courses that they're going to be difficult, and if you devote the time that those courses require, they become some of your most memorable courses. You should do things that sort of push your boundaries as a person.
We have the tutoring programs here, we have success advisors. There really is something for everything when you need help with something here.
The tutoring center offers a lot for students. For one, it's free, so students don't have to pay out of their own pocket to receive help, which I think is a tremendous resource.
We have what's referred to as an undergraduate tutorial program here at Hofstra, and we use a peer-based model. So students who've been successful in courses, it gives them a leadership opportunity to be able to be a peer tutor.
When I started to teach it to undergrads who were taking the class, I started to build up that foundational skill, and I found that it was applying to my more advanced classes, and that when they brought up a concept, I was like, oh my gosh, I've studied this before when I was teaching it the other day. So together, everyone basically gets to get lifted up toward this common goal of just knowing more and learning more and pursuing our passion.
I would say that a successful college student is someone who is not purely memorizing and is someone who really seeks out to understand the material.
I enjoy working at the Center for Academic Excellence, and particularly with the undergraduate tutorial program, because I love seeing students who get that light bulb when they understand a concept. We want to work with students so that they can study smarter, not harder. So you don't have to study 5 hours in a day on a particular subject. We can help you take that and break it apart into smaller increments, so you're keeping up with everything week to week, and then by the time midterms hit and finals hit, you feel prepared.
I would just encourage students to give it a try. Let us know what you are doing that is working for you and what areas you feel like you can still grow in.
I had to learn to put myself first and be selfish in a healthy way, so I was able to get my work done. Making time to work on every part of your life, I think, is what will help a college student be successful.